No to mamy unboxing Dominatorka do CBF600 killerem, certyfikatem A1. Zobaczymy, jak to później brzmi. To jest właśnie certyfikat homologacji. So as you can see, this is a certificate of homologation. It can be used basically on roads, public roads. Pipe which basically connects the main muffler with the rest. Here we go. Here we go. So, czyli to jest znak homologacji. Już jest zainstalowany medium double killer. The killer is already installed. The logo itself, HP1, has this carbon fiber. And for the aesthetical purposes, switch this just a little bit. And just check it in terms of how it's gonna sit. Installation, make sure the bumper is above the stand, not below the stand, otherwise you have to do it again. So secure those two screws. Obviously this is quite bearable, working very nicely, not overweight. In this way. Working very nicely, not overweight.